Hey everyone, remember this one? Just a quick video. I found something else I wanted to show you. And I suppose that's why it's worth an inspection. I found a couple of things really, but the important one was this ABS line. You can see how it's rubbing. It is damaged, it's rubbed through, but it's obviously working okay at the moment. It could do with some heat shrink or some tape or something like that. But the cause of this problem is, once again, careful who you let work on your vehicle. Someone's worked on the vehicle. It's good that it's got brakes that are not far off new, but when they worked on it, they might have pulled some stuff off, and that's good so they don't damage, because when you take the caliper off, you got to take this bracket off, which means it's good to take these two clips off. There's one there and one there. I just open them up, but what they haven't done is put it back. So just show you where it goes, right? That one, there's two clips out of position. That one goes there like that, so you can go check your Hilux now. Then I'll just use my other magic hand around this side here. This clip's still open. Right, open up the clip a little bit more if it won't bloody go in, and just get it to the right length roughly. There's usually some marks on the lines, so you got a little bit of play either way, and it just usually snaps shut. But right now I'm going to need two hands and put the camera down. Right, so they're really easy clips to operate, to be quite honest. Why is this one want to be difficult? It just needs to go like that, clip shut like that. Then that line won't be rubbing anywhere there. That one does touch on the steering knuckle there. That's the steering knuckle, the upper arm of the steering knuckle. They do touch a bit there. That's not a big deal. You can give it a bit of a whatever, but that's where it was rubbing. Had it stayed like that, it would have been finished. Should be okay. It's just through that black insulation. The next wire, it's not through the insulation, but we'll pay a bit more attention, have a look at it. Mainly, I just wanted to show you that. Something to check on your vehicle if they do your brakes. Maybe it's things you need to go and check, okay? There's a quick video for you. Hit the like button, subscribe, turn the bell on, and we'll catch you on the next one. And if you're interested in more, there's a whole video inspection on this vehicle. You can find that came out probably before this video if I let it out in the right order. Thanks for watching. See ya.